I got the Neo in my hands in the United States, and we're gonna unbox it. Look at this little baby. He's just a little guy. Man, this thing really is smaller and lighter than I anticipated. This is gonna be fun. I don't have big hands. I got little hands, and look at this thing. I mean, that is tiny. So we have the gimbal protector here. Take that off, and you can see there's the camera. Bzzz. You got your different modes here. I'm gonna play with those once I get it charged up. But these are the follow me, the selfie modes, all that good stuff. You hit it. You don't even have to have a controller. You can just do the automatic modes, or you can hook it up to your phone and use that as a controller. Or if you're like me, I have the DJI RC N2 or something like that. It has a screen in it for my Air 3. That is also compatible with this. We're gonna be trying all of those different things out. And if we go back here, it says, can you see that? Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. Okay? And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna charge it to activate it before the first time. But this thing is tiny, and it has, see how to do this without breaking it. It's a little tough to get. Oh, there we go. That's the battery. I mean, this thing without the battery, I mean, it feels like a styrofoam cup. That's the battery. But this thing, from what I've been seeing, so for those that don't know, this drone was released everywhere else in the world about a month ago. I'm not going to get into my reasoning why I think that is. We had to wait until today. This is release date here in the United States. So I've been excited to get this drone. I want to do a bunch of cool things with it, with my fishing and stuff. I know it's not supposed to be good over water, but we're going to make it work. Also, this thing right here, this drone, this is all you need to fly it, $200. Also, the Hover Air X1, which is kind of like the competition of this, is $350, $200. We have the packaging, stickers, gotta get your quick start guide, little product activation card, charging cable. Break your propellers, you gotta have a tool to replace it.